won't you cut your hair?
No, no, I love my hair. It is so long, just like yours.
Baby, you need a cut. It will keep you very clean.
Emma, you'll look prettier too.
It won't fall into the soup.
If you cut your hair now, it'll grow back really strong.
Okay, I want strong hair. Daddy, will you come along and pick a hairstyle for me?
Yes.
Clip, snap, clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
Emma, how high or low do you want your chair to be?
I want it to be this tall.
Here you go.
Yay! Thank you! How about this hairstyle?
Yes, this will be great. I have scissors and spray. Let's get started now.
Clip, snap, clip, snap, clip, snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
We clip away the extra hair. We'll give you a very cute hairdo.
The scissors go clip, clip, clip. The scissors go snap, snap, snap.
Emma, what do you think? Do you like your new hairdo?
I love it! Thank you for my new hairstyle. Subscribe to Beep